In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pivot table in Excel. A pivot table turns a long list of rows into a flexible summary, so you can quickly answer questions like totals by category, monthly trends, or top items without writing formulas. We'll start from a clean data set and build a pivot table on a new worksheet. First, click anywhere inside your data to highlight it. If your list is continuous, with no completely blank rows or columns, Excel will automatically detect the boundaries. Make sure each column has a clear header, like date, region, product, or amount. Those headers become the field names you'll use in the pivot table. If your range isn't selected correctly, you can press Ctrl+A to select the current block of data. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and choose the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps tools for turning raw data into charts, tables, and of course, pivot tables. Now click Pivot Table. Excel opens a dialog showing the table range it detected. Take a second to confirm the range matches all the rows and columns you want to analyze. If you formatted your data as an Excel table earlier, you'll see the table name here, which is great for staying connected to new rows you add later. Choose New Worksheet as the location. Placing the pivot table on a new sheet keeps your summary separate from the source data and gives you a clean workspace to explore. Then click OK. You'll land on a blank grid with a Pivot Table Fields pane on the right. This is where the magic happens. Drag a categorical field, like region or product, into rows to list items down the left. Drag another field, such as month, into columns to create headings across the top. Finally, drag a numeric field, like amount or quantity, into values. Excel will automatically sum numbers. If you prefer a different calculation, click the field in Values, choose Value Field Settings, and switch to Count, Average, Max, or another summary. You can also drag a field into Filters to add a handy report level selector. Feel free to rearrange fields at any time. Dragging them between areas instantly reshapes the report. If numbers look crowded, apply number formatting from the Home tab for currency or comma style. And when your source data changes, right-click the pivot table and choose Refresh to update the results. That's it, a fast, reliable way to summarize your data with a pivot table in Excel.